Hi, it's me. Hello. We are back. And we're gonna show you. Wait. We're gonna show you what we got from the expo. I think I will start because what we got is very, very active right now. Isn't he cute? We got two, but the girl is very aggressive, so we're gonna get rid of her, and when I say get rid of her, we're gonna sell her. So we're just gonna keep this boy, and we have a little house for him for now. So cute, guys. So cute. I really wanna have a fairy friend. It's so cute. And this is the house with loads and loads of things inside. You know, the usual hamster stuff. And yeah, so I will put him inside right now. And this is the toilet. So for now it is what it is, and he will have it like this, and we will change it later, but we have plenty shavings to oh, he's too quick. Fresh food, and there is a hole for the water. Oh, I think he found something. I think it's the carrot, yeah. He's really cute. We need a name for him, right? So, what did you got?
I bought two of these jelly cup holders.
And we have a jelly cup to do a nice, very nice presentation.
And a whole bunch of jelly cups.
And it's supposed to be for... Oh, it's perfect. So you can scatter this food around. A little bit here, a little bit there. But
so this is why...
Mealworms.
Not the buffalo worms.
Oh, no, I don't know. I think it's with mealworms.
I think it's buffalo worms.
Okay. I have no idea. I don't know.
About 2 deciliters worth of...
If not more, yeah.
Of worms. Of some sort.
Of some sort. I don't know, guys. You probably know, but he wanted to try... We needed for scorpions. Tiny scorpions. And oh, såklart. For scorpions and for yours Felsuma.
My day geckos.
Yeah, exactly. And they
I have 2 of these holders. I'll put them in later on.
Yes. Oh, this is the other one. So now we're married. Do you want to marry me? No, I'm asking you now. You cannot take my ring and put it on my hand. Ah, you funny. Oh, and more
Wax worms. I'm gonna try wax worms.
They are made of wax.
Mm.
Oh
and
no,
and
worms. And worms. So these are wax worms in this one.
But these are only as treats.
Only as treats, yes.
Only as treats. Very fatty, very high
very
fat
yummy
content.
And then we got I don't see it now.
We bought how many? 30.
Yes,
30 jelly cups for 100 crowns, which
Yes.
would be
3 crowns? No,
how many dollars?
100 crowns.
$8 maybe? No.
No, $10, 90 crown.
Okay.
So $11, $12 maybe. And
Just there.
Exoterra. It's not Exoterra, but it's, you know, because I have to rehouse my baby soon. So I like this one a lot. These are cheap, good, and easy to open here. And they have even a fitting opening on the side. And these one are in size 24 centimeters, 16 and 17. Well, so Reptitank in reptilesplanets.com. Reptilesplanet.com, we love you. And I love you. These are very, very good. Much better than Exoterra, in my opinion. It's all about my opinion. And actually that was it.
Yes.
Wasn't it?
Yes.
Oh no, I bought a cactus, of course.
The cactus.
Lafidola Williams, yeah, I think. But it's already reported on the balcony. Well, so this is what I got.
Cheap today.
And it was a cheap tour today, yes.
There
Oh,
was
okay.
lots of fun stuff.
Lots of fun stuff though, yeah, true. Stuff you wanna have, and new stuff also, new exhibitors, and what more?
Paper from Hungary this time.
Hungary, yeah, wanna have them.
Yes, please.
Oh, I love my favorite gum, bubble mint. Okay, bye.